Hi friends, happy Easter. I just wanted to come up here and say hello and also share with you my spring and Easter home decor. I know it's a little bit late, but since we all have to be home, hey, I thought I could come up here and give you guys a video today. Maybe a little bit of entertainment. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. This is as soon as you walk through the door. This is our door, our dirty door. You're gonna see a sign that says Happy Easter and some hooks with some, we usually have our coats there, but this is not that cold right now. We just don't have anything there. But yeah, we have our keys there. We have this air purifier down here. Carlos is a big believer of this thing, but I'll link it for you guys on Amazon if you guys are interested in it. I have my oil diffuser. I'm gonna give you guys a little overview. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna start right here. I got this mirror from Ollie's bargain. It's a bargain store here in Nashville. It was really inexpensive. I think we got it for like 50 bucks, and I thought it would look really nice there since we really don't get a lot of light down here. I thought that would look, you know, kind of reflect light from both windows, and hey, it actually works. I usually don't get as much light, but with it I get a little bit more. But this is our little living room area. I got these couches from Facebook Market. I got a really good deal on it, but they are Sea Gallery couches. If I find it, I'll link it down below for you guys, but this is pretty much how they look. They're really comfortable and they're super easy to clean. This ottoman right here is from Overstock. I actually got this from Goodwill. It's just a mirror tray. We have some coasters, a remote control to the TV, and the surround system. Oh, you guys, right here you're gonna see like this little basket. I actually have it covered up, but it's actually a basket full of toys, but I actually cover it up with this blanket and it just looks really cute. These pillows are from Amazon. They came together in a set of 4. I will link that for you guys below as well. Adjacent from the living room area, here is the bathroom. We still have not done it completely. We have to put the sliding shower doors. Right now it just has a clear shower curtain. This is the mirror, and it's nothing really fancy, but this is what the top of the sink looks like. And I think we got this from Amazon, you guys. Those little, we really like that dish sink right here. We thought it looked really nice. Everything up here is from either TJ Maxx and Target. Across from the toilet there is this candle that says family. I got this from TJ Maxx. And if you guys are interested on this glass shelf, this is from Ross. It was pretty inexpensive and I thought it looked really good in this area. Oh, and by the way, that is from, I think I got it from the thrift store. All right, moving along to the dining area. This is a little overview of how it looks. It is a tiny little place, but still it's very homey and I love how it looks now. It's definitely been remodeled and I just love how it looks, you guys. It's very homey, yet I wanted to mix both styles of farmhouse and also French country. So this is the this is how it ended up looking. So if you guys are curious, these chairs were bought from Target. I'll link them down below for you guys. I also got these chairs from, I actually got these chairs from Facebook Market. I really love them. I love how they just stand out from this whole view of the dining area. This chandelier, I found it at Habitat for Humanity, but I also saw it in Overstock. So if you guys are interested, I will link that below as well. If you guys are curious about this corner hutch, I also got it from Facebook Market, and it actually was a very dark, it was a very dark brown color. Oh my goodness, like I don't even know how many spray cans I used. I was actually trying to paint it super quickly and just be done with it, but it actually took me like 4 coats in order for it to look like this. But we did kind of distress it on those areas right here. You guys can see it closely. And my husband decided to add that detail in the very top since it was for him. This is his little bar area. Moving on to this area right in front of the dining table, I just have this little cabinet here piece that I got from Habitat for Humanity. Again, I really like that these little baskets down here. I wanted a place to put like fruit, so I really liked it. This little house, I got it from the dollar area at Target. These are from the Dollar Tree, and that is from Walmart, and those are from Target. All right, coming over from the dining area, we're gonna walk into the kitchen. Everything is like an open layout. That's why it's like so close together. But I just have Aviana's high chair right here. It's really easy to clean. I actually like it. It's from IKEA if you guys are wanting to know. On this area, I have this little sign that says he is risen indeed. I got this from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Everything over here is like mostly minimal. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. Like this camera's having a hard time focusing. But on this side, I just have my Keurig. Oh, by the way, I am trying out the Dunkin' Donuts coffee Keurig cups. That's what I'm trying to think. I don't know why I say coffee, but anyway, the Keurig cups, and they're actually pretty good, you guys. So strong, they're really strong. They're stronger than I like it, but at least I get 2 cups out of it, out of one little Keurig cup. So yeah, comment down below if you guys like a really strong coffee or if you're weak sauce like me. Anyway, right next to it, I have these little baskets that I created using only things that I got from Dollar Tree. If you guys want to see how I created this, I'll link my TikTok down below if you guys want to see that. If not, then I'll probably just actually my TikTok or my Instagram, because I did link it to my Instagram if you guys want to see how I created these. But it's pretty easy, and everything of course was $1. So moving along to the sink, I got this wreath from Big Lots. It's just so happy. It's just, I don't know, the colors in it just makes my day. Right next to it, I have this sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. It says Hello Spring. This actually was from the thrift store, and that was from Hobby Lobby as well. So it's pretty much how it looks, you guys. It's an overview of everything. If you guys, oh, and I almost missed this. So right here it says welcome, and it has a bicycle on it, and I love those little pom-poms down there. But that I got from Big Lots as well. So in our room, this is how our room looks like. We still are co-sleeping with Aviana, so that's why her crib is in this room, but the majority of the time she sleeps with us. So usually this crib is going to be right here, because at night I don't want to wake up, walk all the way over here and bring her back to the bed. So this blanket at the very end of the bed is from Aldi. I got it during Christmas last year. Those pillowcases are from Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. That wreath is from Pier 1. Yeah, it's from Pier 1. They were closing down and they were having like everything, I think it was 20% off, so I went ahead and snagged that. I'm thinking of putting a carpet here or a rug. Should I have like just one runner here, or should I just do the whole room? Not the whole room, but you know what I'm saying, like completely underneath the bed. Moving on to the bathroom. This is actually the door that's gonna go lead us to the bathroom. My husband built this by himself. It was his first time him doing anything like this, so I have to give it to him. He did a great job. What do you guys think in the comment section? But anyway, let's go in here. Oh, you can kind of see a little blue tint in there too. I think it's pretty cute. All right, so this is the restroom. This is the master restroom, and we do have that heater right there. It's just a little spot heater. I think I did go over this part on my room reveal, but we got that from Home Depot. But I'm just gonna tell you guys anyway if you haven't seen that video. But yeah, we got this from Home Depot. I ended up getting the decor from Big Lots since it's like closer to my house, and I literally just ran in there and got some decor. This is this scent is in lilac. Again, you guys know I am like obsessing with this scent right now. It smells so good. But this is pretty much how it looks, you guys. Like, I don't have anything too like fancy over here. I mean, there's a bathroom, but and this is the shower area right there. I don't think I can turn. Let me see if we have the control. I just haven't seen it, but Carlos decided to put some lights in there as well, and there they go. They turn all different colors. So we are finally done with this house tour. It is my first house tour, so if it is a little choppy or cringy, that's why. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps me a lot. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am a mommy of a almost 1-year-old, and I also do a lot of cleaning videos and decor and a little bit of fashion videos here and there. But yeah, I'd love to have you. So enough talking, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy Easter. Bye.